Church Across Bristol serves community throughout the year with weekly activities, warm welcoming spaces and refugee welcome hugs, and so much more. The Noise is about making a positive impact together on one weekend.
Whether it's cleaning up a neglected space, transforming someone's garden, playing a game of football or simply chatting with a neighbour over a burger or cake, there's a way for everyone of every age to show God's love in practical ways.
You're up to something, God, I feel it. There's freedom in the air. You're up to something, God, we see it. We know that you are here, so let the miracles pour out. Let the blessings fall on down, 'cause we waited. We're ready for it now.
The Noise 2023 will take place from Saturday the 29th of April to Monday the 1st of May, and we're inviting you to sign up as a volunteer for one or more days.